Air Max DL 2.5 has been brought back to life by Nike Sportswear in a variety of eye-catching styles. In a white, black, wild grape and smoke gray color combination, the heritage-inspired design has surfaced ahead of summer. To keep things familiar but new, each tone blends together in the same way as past styles that have been released for the Air Max line. The purple color of the title also complements the upcoming Air Jordan 5 Grey throwback and brings life to the swoosh insignia and the visible air cushioning beneath the foot. Details of the wild grape accented Air Max DL 2.5's official Nike.com debut have not yet been revealed by the company, although this is anticipated to alter by the end of summer. Enjoy an exclusive preview of the pair in the meantime, provided by JD Sports. Retail price is $180 US.